I will be using the QuizCase scanning app. When you open it up, you will see this menu. Press the scan option. Now slide your photo into the box and align it correctly. When you are satisfied with the alignment, press the white button. This takes the picture. Now press the OK. This button gives you the opportunity to crop the photo the way you choose. Next, press the check mark on the bottom right corner. This is how the scanned photo will look once you save it. If you are satisfied, press the check mark to save it as a file in the Scanning Softwares folder. Press the top left button to return to the first menu. That's it. Repeat until all your photos are transferred.